leg, arm, head, this is God body. Heart beating, heavy demons wanna save the soul out me. Walk through the valley, depth, shadow behind every corner. Sharpshooters take aim and fire if I become important. Like the fire with more fire, water will just start to boil. Neither hell or heaven want me. Resident of purgatory, American horror story. An actual depiction, an accurate description of this brainwashed country I reluctantly live in. The media feeding your fear and deceiving your visions. They think a mass killing and say that terrorists did it. It's embarrassing how easy some people are listen and believe anything they see on their television. Right? It's called the news, so it must be true. Abuse the power the universe has gave to you. If you knew what a unified human race could do, racism would surely die in just a day or two. Coming of age and I'm dying of thirst. I'm trapped inside my mental, these memories stay resurface. Which isn't material, tell me what the precious. The world won't face it, your currency's currently worthless. See, money was made to separate and create diversion. A distraction, corporation, paying taxes, transatlantic, forced to travel, slave and master. Reoccurring hatred, generational or force of habit. Readers worrying about a bunch of shit that doesn't matter. Niggas wanna turn up and acquire girls who asses fatter. Bitches stress their Instagram and what niggas are double tapping. Murder rates are rising, we desensitized to loss of life. Babies having babies need a car seat on the driver's side. Caution you to not ignore the warning signs. Caught myself conforming, my recordings got distorted. Made a promise to myself to never preach like Michael Jordan. So my soul will give up rapping, there's nothing else out there for me. I feel an obsession forming addiction. You should listen, don't ignore me, but of course they do. Who am I kidding? The end of my story. Thank y'all. Guru Sagat.
Woo!
All these songs, minus Stay True, will be on my upcoming album. Well, minus Stay True in that one. And it's called Wolfie.